August 1st, 2010, in our denim diaper. Denim diapers. That's a silly daddy. Emma. Oh, good job, baby.
I'm making silly noises.
You're making silly noises.
I'm making silly noises.
Yes, you are. We love our denim diapers. We love our denim diapers.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah. Woo! Okay, let's see those little fannies. Let's turn around. Gotta see the pockets. Here, can you
You want to get in there, Emma?
hold it?
Just sit next to your sisters.
There's my Sleeping Beauty. Oh, Emma. Oh.
Little baby.
Oh.